Hey everybody, Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Do have memory seats for both driver and passenger. Got the controls here, door controls, driver seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around in the back, see our GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And let's hop into the driver's seat. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 46,420. Do a push button ignition. And here's our Mercedes-Benz display currently loading up. Below that we have climate controls, including heated seats for both driver and passenger. Also have buttons here to access various functions on the display. Currently showing radio, navigation, and backup camera. And our Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.